Are you working on a data science side project, but you don't know how to get the actual raw data for it? You are not alone. This is a very typical problem, but don't worry because I have a solution to fix it. Well, actually 5 different solutions, and I will show them to you in my online course called the Data Source course. Hi, I'm Tomi Mester from data36.com, and I see many aspiring and junior data scientists starting to work on hobby projects. That's awesome. We all know why these projects are awesome. They are great for practicing your Python and SQL skills. They are an excellent way to boost your CV and stand out when it comes to job hunting, and they are a lot of fun. But as I just learned, for beginner data scientists, there is a huge roadblock in these projects right at the very first step. Namely, they simply just don't know how they could get access to datasets they could work with. If you are watching this video, probably this is an issue for you as well. Well, not anymore, because I've created the Data Source course to solve this very problem. In the Data Source course, well, as the name suggests, I will give you access to a lot of different data sources. I put them into 5 modules. First, the simplest solution. I will just go ahead and give you immediate access to datasets from a few of my real-life projects. These datasets are unique and cannot be found anywhere else on the internet, and more importantly, they are from real life, so you will see all kinds of exciting things in them that you usually cannot really see in pre-prepared datasets from other online courses. In this module, I published 3 datasets, and I might expand this in the future: an educational online games usage data, including the usage data of more than 100,000 runs generated by real players, a blueberry plant's growth data, including moisture levels, light levels, and photos of the plants, a slice of the Data36 blog's traffic data. The log of the article reads on all SQL-related articles in a 5-month period, which means 130,000 plus rows and 1 million plus data points to be analyzed. In the second module, I will show you how APIs work. With an API, you can query real-life data from different online applications. In this course specifically, I will show you how the OpenWeather API works, so you will be able to get various weather data from different locations, how the Twitter API works, so you will be able to download and analyze tweets, how the Yahoo Finance API works, so you will be able to get stock prices, and how the Coinbase API works, so you will be able to query and analyze the prices of cryptocurrencies. In the third module, I will also give you access to a few randomly generated datasets. I created these with Python-based random generator scripts that I built specifically for this course. This includes a simpler dataset called Dogs vs. Cats and a dataset of a simulated online e-commerce shop. As an extra, I will give you access to the random generator Python scripts themselves, so you will be able to modify and reuse these random generators to create as much raw data as you just need, also to see my Python code, and based on that, figure out how you can build similar things for yourself. In Module 4, I will show you a web scraping example. You can already find pretty detailed step-by-step web scraping tutorials on my blog, data36.com, but in this course, I will show you one more example. Well, in fact, the most popular web scraping example, scraping Wikipedia. If you learn how to scrape Wikipedia pages with Python, you can get access to the raw data of over 6 million articles. And if these 4 are not enough, in the last module, I will also give you an exhaustive list of open datasets, so you can go ahead and browse for more data from all around the internet. So, I guess you get the point. If getting raw data was a problem before, after this course, your only issue will be having access to too much data. And let me just highlight an important thing that you might suspect already. By taking this course, you won't just get the fish, you will learn fishing too. These 5 modules, these 5 different ways of getting access to datasets are great starting points. But I really hope that after finishing this course, you won't stop at those APIs that I show you, you won't stop at those datasets that I generated for you, And you won't stop at those few web pages that I scrape in this course, because you will understand how to apply this knowledge to other data sources and build, query, and get various types of raw data by yourself. Okay, I hope you are excited, because I'm excited. Now it's time to dig deeper.